Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a bin, just a random kind of design. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the default cube. Let's go ahead and add in a cylinder, and I'm going to go ahead and just lower the vertices right here in the bottom left corner so we get a nice, you can like do octagon, hexagon, whatever you want to do, and we'll do edit mode. And for this one we're just going to go E for extrude, S for scale just in the middle right here, and then E for extrude just to bring that back down. And if you wanted to, my dog's crying in the corner apparently. So let's go ahead and add in a cylinder. Again, we're going to go ahead and up the vertices on this particular one, S for scale to bring it in, so that you've got this nice little circle in the middle right here. We'll go E for extrude, grab the top right here, E for extrude again, and then S for scale, and then E for extrude and bring it down, and that will be your basic bin. So let's go for right click shade smooth, make this the material, and we'll go with black for this one. I know, buddy, give me a minute. And then for the outer one you can go ahead and we can do purple or something like that. So in the end you should have something like this. Don't forget to change your render engine to cycles. And yeah, that's a basic bin for a little bit of a prop at the side of some scenery. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.